Now we like to talk about location and hardware. Choose a very quiet place like your bedroom, living room, or your church building. If you or your friends have a pro or home recording studio, please use it. Remember, we just want to hear your voice singing without any backup music or any other sounds in your video. Be creative. Feel free to show off our area. If you can film outside, do it as long as our recording does not pick up any ambient noises like ocean waves, birds, cars, children playing, or like the wind that you probably hear right now. Now we'll switch gears to hardware. Use the best high-end camera or phone, tablet or laptop camera you or your friends have, and shoot at the highest video resolution, HD or higher. Do not record the music track. We just want a video of you singing the song without any background music, so we can sync the 100+ videos together more easily into the final product. Play the MP3 track for The Blessing from our website using a phone or a tablet, or load the backup track onto a second device so you can hear the music with earbuds or headphones as you sing along. Make sure you can hear your own voice along with the recording. Take one earbud out if necessary. Please do not have the song playing through the speakers that will be heard on the recording. So now we'll talk about the separate audio track. If you have access to a good quality vocal microphone and have a very quiet place to record your audio separate from your video, we encourage you to do so. In that case, please see the printed instructions for separate audio in the notes below or in the video done by Michelle Littman in the set of tutorials.